In this video, we're going to show you how to install the interior trim bezel on your Ford Mustang located on the driver's side door. On our trim bezel, if you flip it over, there is a retaining clip right here, which is positioned right here. And the other one is on the top right here. So let's go ahead and use our plastic trim tool. I'm going to go ahead and pop this out. And on the top side, you just want to get behind here, releasing the top one, and same on the bottom. I'm going to disconnect this connector here. I'm using a small pick just to get up underneath, raise it up over the little retaining lock there, and wiggle that connector off. On the other side, there's the same retainer. Do the same here. On the switch here, there are two Phillips head screws. Loosen and remove those. We'll be reusing these screws. Separate the switch. We're going to use our pick. You can use any tool you want. Press it on there and push in. Do the same up here. What I want to do is try and release that pressure on these locking tabs, working this through the front side of the panel. And once you pop that out, it'll release the switch. I'm going to pull that out. Go ahead and line this up. Push it in, and you're going to see the little lock tabs pop back out, securing that in place. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's secured. Flip this over. Go ahead and place the window switch in its correct position here. Install the screws. I'll go ahead and tighten those down. Now this is holding plastic into plastic, so you just want to basically snug it gently. Do not over tighten it. You'll break either the panel itself or the switch. Do the same here. Once that screw bottoms out, you're all done. Okay. Go ahead and take your switch here. Line that up. Snap that into place. Now when we install this here, we're going to install the lower portion first. We'll line up the bottom. We'll press that into the little hole on the door panel, and then we'll install the top. At this point here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.